Welcome back to Learning Again, children. In our last video, we learned about why water is important, and we also learned about drought situation, isn't it? Let's continue learning again. The need for water is not the same for all living things. Some animals and plants need more water than others. Some can live with little or no water. Let us see some example. Here you can see all living things does not need same amount of water. Some may require more and more water, some may require very little water. Let us see some examples for that. Kangaroo rats. Kangaroo rats do not need to drink water. They live in dry and hot places. They save the water that they get from their food, that is seeds. Okay, it is a kind of rat, or it is a varieties of rats. It is called as kangaroo rats. They do not need water as we need water very much, isn't it? They live in dry places and hot places. These rats live in dry places and hot places where sun is very bright. Okay, it may be desert or some other places. They save the water that they get from their food. Whenever we take any food, some amount of water will be there in that food item. Like that, kangaroo rats, whatever they eat, they store the water content which they get it from that food. Okay, that water content is sufficient for these rats. Camel. Camels need less water than any other animals. They drink large amount of water at a time, then they can go for long time without water. Camel. Where can you see camels? You can see camels in desert, isn't it? Yeah, camel, whenever they get water, they drink large amount of water and they preserve that water, and they can go for a long time without water. Camels are not like us. They have storage in their body for water. Okay, we cannot store water in our body. Can we store water in our body? No, but camel can store water in their body. Can you see a hump on camel? Yeah, in that hump only they will store the water. Whenever they feel like thirsty, they feel like drinking water, they get it from that hump. Okay. Elephant. Elephant requires a lot of water to drink. They also require water to bath and cool their bodies. Like human being, elephants also require lot of water to drink and to take bath. Okay, without water elephant can't live. Plants like cactus grow in dry areas and need less water to grow than other plants. Okay, have you seen cactus plant? When you cut it, you can feel that watery content in that. This plant doesn't require water much like other plants. Okay, you can see these cactus plants in deserts. See, can you see picture of elephant and cactus? Have you noticed that small plants dry out quickly? Find out the reason behind it. The need for water depends on the size of the body and types of activity done. Big animals and trees may need more water. We may drink more water after playing outdoors. If we sit idle, we may not feel thirsty. The need for water also depends upon the climate and seasons. For examples, plants and animals need more water in the summer than in winter. In summer, we feel thirsty more often. Okay. See, need of water depends upon our body. If we are big in size and if we are very much active, you need more water like elephant. If you are not active, if you are sitting idle, you do not require water. You won't feel like thirsty. Okay? And need of water depends on the season. When in summer, we feel more thirsty and we drink more water. Okay, children, have you understood why we need water? Without water, living things can't live. That's why we need to preserve water. We are not supposed to waste a single water drop. I hope all of you understood. Henceforth, you should not waste any water. Okay, any single water drop. Okay, children, take care of yourself and stay healthy. Thank you.